Welcome to your weekend weather forecast. Overnight into Saturday morning, stormy conditions expected in parts of the Northern Cape, Northwest and the Free State, with foggy conditions along the western coast, parts of the Eastern Cape, the Highvelds and escarpment areas. That's ahead of this cold front approaching the southwestern Cape, will bring much cooler conditions and cloudy weather to the southwestern Cape with scattered showers. But ahead of the cold front, we are expecting extremely hot conditions in KwaZulu-Natal. Due to Bergman conditions, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s expected. It will be extremely hot and uncomfortable, so please stay hydrated. Don't leave any children or pets unattended in a hot car. Stormy conditions expected over the central parts of the country on Saturday, with scattered thunderstorms possible in parts of the Northern Cape, Northwest, the Free State, the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Isolated thunderstorms for the adjacent areas, including Gauteng and the Highvelds of Mpumalanga. Then scattered showers with that cold front in the city of Cape Town, part of the Overberg and Garden Route, spreading to the rest of the Garden Route into Saturday evening, with isolated showers for the western part of the Western Cape. But the Weather Service warning against severe thunderstorms leading to hail, damaging winds and heavy rain in parts of the Free State on Saturday, so please be careful in those areas. Overnight into Sunday, scattered showers still possible along the southern coast, with much cooler conditions spreading behind that cold front over part of the northern, western and eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal, but becoming stormy yet again over the central and eastern part of the country on Sunday, with scattered thunderstorms possible in parts of the Free State, Gauteng, Mpumalanga, KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. Some of these storms can become severe, produce hail, damaging winds and heavy rain, so please be careful in those areas on Sunday. Isolated thunderstorms moving over parts of the Northern Cape, Northwest, the Free State and the Eastern Cape, then scattered showers still possible for the Garden Route and adjacent areas, and morning showers for the western part of the Western Cape on Sunday. Looking at our winds for this weekend, northeasterly winds blowing strong along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, with northwesterly winds picking up ahead of that cold front in Cape Town. Northwesterly winds also blowing fresh to strong over parts of the Northern Cape, the Free State, Northwest, the Western and Eastern Cape. Therefore, the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires. Runaway fires also a risk in parts of KwaZulu-Natal due to the extremely hot conditions and windy weather. Strong winds also expected along the southern coast with that cold front. Then into Sunday, we are expecting southwesterly winds to blow strong behind that cold front along the coast of the Eastern Cape, spreading to the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, with southwesterly winds also blowing fresh over the western interior. Runaway fires a risk yet again, and strong southerly winds spreading along the western coast on Sunday. Looking at our temperatures on Saturday, we can see the cooler conditions in the southwestern Cape, with Cape Town reaching a high of only 22, but extremely hot conditions still expected in parts of the Northern Cape, Northwest and the Free State, and a very hot day expected in KwaZulu-Natal, with Pietermaritzburg and Richards Bay reaching a 38, warm to hot for the northeastern part of the country. On Sunday, much cooler conditions as mentioned behind that cold front in the northern, western and eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal. Temperatures in these areas in the lower 20s and upper 20s for KwaZulu-Natal, but another extremely hot day for the northeastern part of the country, with Pretoria, Polokwane and Mbombela reaching a high of 34. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your weekend and stay safe out there.